Welcome back to my channel. As for today, we are going to review regarding the 7 Rhymes audio unit. 7 Rhymes is a company that produces a professional audio devices, including the podcast microphone and also the wireless microphone and many more. And you can visit the 7 Rhymes website on the link down below. And as for today, we are going to review the most anticipation product, RGB cardoid condenser USB microphone, where you can change the microphone system to your computer, laptop, iPhone, iPad, or anything that use USB-C directly to this port without connecting any power input. So this thing is very portable for your live streaming, for podcasting, music streaming, and all other stuff, including the gaming system. By the way, the price is between 150 to 200 ringgit on Lazada. So let's unbox this and see the features. Let's unbox this 7 Rhymes microphone, RGB cardoid condenser USB microphone. And what do we have here is the cardoid condenser mic, compatible with computers, phones, and also iPad by using the USB-C output, muting function, real-time monitoring, capsule shock mounting. And this is your user manual. This cable, you have two options. You can put as USB-C to USB-C or make it as USB-A to USB-C. And now your microphone system. This is your podcast microphone. Okay, it looks very heavy and easily to use. Just click by these things to open up, and you have the RGB here, and change the RGB color or off by touching this. And then on the back side, you have the USB-C input and also the audio jack. So this thing is fixed. All I can say about this microphone is the design is very sleek, simple, minimalist, and really a nice touching microphone, like a seriously super elegant microphone to play with. The features of this microphone, it is using 48,000 kHz audio recording, 16mm cardoid condenser microphone with cardoid pattern for a deep bass and loud treble, built-in sound card using USB-C digital output port, gain adjustment, and 1 button mute. Also, you have the RGB lighting effect with internal shock proof. So let's try out the microphone test. Hello, testing 1 2 3, and we are going for the SR AT10 microphone. So this is what it sounds like at the volume minus, and then we are trying to get into the highest volume. We are trying to talk into this microphone. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. How is it sounds like? Hello, testing 1 2 3. Now we increase the volume to the 50%. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. How does the sounds like? Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Now I increase to 100% maximum volume. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. So how does the volume sounds like? Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. So let's try this microphone on our iPad or any USB-C phone, because I don't have the converter, so I'm just trying to put on my Android devices or iPad mini. Right now I am using my internal microphone on my iPad mini. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. How does the sounds like? Let's change to this microphone system. Okay guys, so right now I am using my microphone, this condenser microphone. I mean podcast microphone. It can be podcast also. It can be portable microphone. 7 Rhymes SR AT10. How does the sounds like? Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3 with the volume button on the 100%, or we can change it to 50% only. Hello, testing 1 2 3. How does the sounds like? And you can turn off this RGB light, or just touch on the upper label and you can get the RGB automatic. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. So guys, I'm just showing you the real situation when you're using these microphones without any compression or condenser or whatsoever editing devices, and you can hear clearly on your voice inside the microphone itself. And what I think about this microphone, it is an awesome portable microphone where you can bring anywhere you like, instead of bringing this big bulky microphone, and you just bring this 7 Rhymes microphone, the small SR AT10 microphone, which the price is about 150 to 200 ringgit you can get. And there's more to this microphone that you can discover by using this microphone. Thank you much for watching. See you next time.